Birds, with their diverse species and behaviors, exhibit a wide range of survival strategies that have evolved over millennia. One of the most intriguing examples of avian survival skills is demonstrated by the cuckoo bird. The cuckoo is known for its unique and often ruthless approach to ensuring the survival of its offspring, particularly the behavior of its chicks when they first hatch. The cuckoo bird is a brood parasite, meaning it lays its eggs in the nests of other bird species, leaving the responsibility of raising its young to these unsuspecting foster parents. This method, while advantageous for the adult cuckoo, creates a highly competitive environment for the cuckoo chick once it hatches. The newly hatched cuckoo chick faces immediate competition from the host bird's own offspring for food and care. To eliminate this competition, the cuckoo chick employs a dramatic and instinctive survival tactic. It throws the other chicks or eggs out of the nest. This behavior is instinctual and begins almost as soon as the cuckoo chick hatches. The chick, often blind and featherless, uses its back to heave the host's eggs or young to the nest's edge and then pushes them overboard. This ensures that the cuckoo chick receives all the food and care from the foster parents. The foster parents, unaware of the switch, continue to feed the cuckoo chick, which often grows much larger than their own offspring would have. The cuckoo chick's survival strategy is a remarkable example of nature's sometimes harsh but effective methods of ensuring the continuation of a species. This behavior not only highlights the cunning nature of the cuckoo, but also underscores the incredible adaptability and resourcefulness found in the avian world. In conclusion, the survival skills of birds are as varied as they are fascinating, with the cuckoo bird's parasitic strategy standing out as one of the most extraordinary. This behavior, while seemingly brutal, is a testament to the lengths to which nature will go to ensure the survival of the fittest. By studying these behaviors, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and diversity of life in the animal kingdom. The cuckoo story is a vivid reminder of the intricate and often surprising ways in which animals adapt to their environments and secure their place in the natural world.
Wow.